Support your entire organization with flowcharts, organizational charts, mind maps, project charts, technical engineering diagrams, IT diagrams, and more. SmartDraw includes quick start templates for all kinds of different diagram types, from flowcharts to floor plans. Picking the right template is critical because each one is designed to make it easy to create that particular diagram type. Select New Document here on the left of the dashboard to browse through the various diagram types. Right-click on a template and choose Add Favorite to add it to your list of favorites. You can also search for diagram types up in this search box. When you open a template, you'll see a Smart panel here on the left, customized to that particular diagram. The Smart panel for a flowchart looks different from that of a floor plan, or UML diagram, or org chart, and so on. The tools in each Smart panel will help you easily build, format, and adjust the diagram you've chosen. It also includes symbols specific to that diagram. The default formatting and drawing style will vary from one diagram template to the next. This way, building the diagram you've chosen will seem easy and intuitive even on first use. When you're building diagrams like flowcharts, org charts, mind maps, and network and software diagrams, the shapes will have yellow quick add controls around them. If you see yellow arrows, you can use these to add shapes in any direction, and everything is automatically connected, aligned, and evenly spaced. If you see yellow circles, you can click them to choose shapes from the pop-up options that appear, and those shapes will be added automatically spaced and aligned. Or you can drag a line from the circle to wherever you want it to go, and then choose a shape to place it. Once added, you can move these shapes around and easily align them. Add or remove shapes, and the lines heal, and the chart reformats. You can also press Ctrl and an arrow key on your keyboard to add shapes that way. This will automatically use the shape style that you most recently used. To add text, just type with a shape or line selected.